Okay, so on the talent front, do you find a gap between what's available and what's required?
Well, I can only tell you that in IMTMA, we set up a school so that graduate engineers who come out of university are trained so that they become suitable to work in industry.
Right.
Now, that speaks volumes of the quality of education. The people who come out, even from IITs, are very, very poor. Our education system teaches you.
Does not empower them to.
No, you learn by rote. You just learn to go through the exam. You don't know the subject. In fact, the dean of IIT Chennai, in a public meeting, said that the person who has topped in the IIT exam, you give him the same paper after 3 months, he will fail.
Right.
That is the education system. They don't teach you the subject. They don't teach you the principles. They just somehow
Teach
see
you
that
how to max your exam. And what about the talent gap at a senior level?
See, I personally believe that talent has to be nurtured from within. Particularly, our industry is not a very attractive industry, like IT or retail or even the auto industry, which has got a lot of glamour and people would like to come. Here you have to put your hand in oil. So it is only, I find that the best way is to groom your own people, have a long-term view, and whomever you put in a responsible job, you have to support him for some time, because he has not done the job before. You have to recognize that, support him, and then he'll grow into the job. So you have to look for people with the right attitude. They need not have the right knowledge or that you require. And at least we have been quite lucky with our people. They have grown very well.
Who have grown with the organization?
Yes, they have, the people with us for 30 years, 40 years who have grown.